Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron po tayong good news para sa mga schools na ito. Meron kayong notice of cash allocation. Ito ay para sa cash requirements for the payment of PS and RLEF differentials of teaching personnel due to 2024 approved equivalent records form or ERFs, reclassification of positions and conversion to master teacher. Nako, congrats po. Para po ito sa salary differential. Ito yung mga schools na Tabaco National High School, San Lorenzo National High School, Division of Tabaco City. Merong 4 million pesos mahigit yan. Ito pa, Bantayan National High School, San Antonio National High School, Tabaco. Nako, ang saya-saya. Ito pa, San Miguel National High School, Gigmoto Rural Development High School, Catanduanes National High School, Division of Catanduanes. Meron kayong 4,800,000 pesos mahigit. Ito pa, San Miguel Rural Development High School, Calatagan High School, Pandan School of Arts and Trades, Bagamanok Rural Development High School, Karamuran Rural Development High School, Baras Rural Development High School, San Andres Vocational School. Tingin ko dito sa Bicol region ay talagang parating may mga na-promote. Nako, congrats po dyan sa mga teachers natin, ka-Jesnabs dyan. Eto pa, Supang Datag National High School. Salary differential din ito. Karamuran School of Fisheries. Ito pa, Baleno National High School, San Pascual National High School, San Jacinto National High School, Kataengan National High School. Congrats po sa mga teachers na merong notice of salary differential. Kasama din yung Dimasalang National High School. Ito pa, salary differential din para sa mga approved ERF at saka reclass na master teachers. Yung sa schools ng Del Carmen National High School, Masbate School of Fisheries, Buenavista National High School. Kasama din dito ang Andres Clemente Jr. National High School, Federico A. Estepona Memorial High School, Paneque National High School, Aroroy National High School, Mubo National High School. Nako, congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa, may salary differential din para sa Division of Legazpi City, Bangkeruhan National High School, Humapon High School, Orosite High School, Arimbay High School, Cabangan High School, Legazpi City National High School. Congrats po sa inyo. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman kung di nyo pa ito nagagawa. Salamat po. Bye-bye.